Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and this week we are air frying Brussels sprouts. Okay, Brussels sprouts. I am excited for this recipe because I think the air fryer is great at roasting vegetables. It's really convenient, easy to clean, and something you can do at home that isn't gimmicky. Now, even though it's not a super TikTok-y, hacky recipe, this does come from TikTok, believe it or not. It's from an account called Lovely Delights. But I've been cooking Brussels sprouts in the air fryer for some time, and really what they did was just add a little twist to it that I thought was pretty unique, so I wanted to show the viewers at home. So all you're gonna do is take whatever oil you want. I prefer a high temperature oil. We've got corn oil in the office today, but canola, whatever, just something that doesn't burn over 400 degrees. Just a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna take it, salt, pepper, and season our Brussels sprouts. That's pretty much your typical sort of deal. You take Brussels sprouts, you cut them in half, you put some oil, you put some seasoning, you throw them in the air fryer. You're gonna get a good result. Now what they did on TikTok from Lovely Delights that I thought was interesting is they got this balsamic glaze and they coated the Brussels sprouts with a little bit of this balsamic glaze. It's thicker than just your typical balsamic vinegar, and it's a little sweeter, and when you roast it in the air fryer you're gonna get nice caramelization. It's a nice little trick. The bottle might be like $8, which is kind of expensive for this little bottle, but it'll last you a really long time. If you like this recipe, I think it's worth it. So all we're gonna do is take these seasoned, halved Brussels sprouts, and we're gonna put them in the air fryer at 400 degrees, or whatever your highest temperature is. Most air fryers is 400 degrees, for anywhere from about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the Brussels sprout, until they're tender on the inside and they'll be nice and blackened on the outside. All right, so our Brussels sprouts have been cooking for about 10 minutes and they're finished. Your mileage may vary on that, depends if you have bigger Brussels sprouts or you're cooking more of them. We're just doing a small amount and they're small Brussels sprouts. So just, you want fork tender, crispy on the outside. So here's how they look, completed. We've got all the leaves blackened. The Brussels sprouts themselves look tender and they've got sort of that nice caramel color. And we're gonna dump them in a bowl. Not so carefully. Let them cool for a minute and then give it a taste. I'm gonna go try to get like a good bite where I get a little bit of everything. Got a sprout, crunchy leaf. You can hear the crunch. TikTok loves a crunch. I love that. An air fryer is great for roasting vegetables. I think you can never put enough salt on a Brussels sprout, so salt the heck out of it. Fry it up, it's gonna be great. I think the addition of the balsamic vinegar glaze thing is really nice because it gives it a little bit of sweetness to cut the bitterness of a Brussels sprout. Couldn't be easier, couldn't be more delicious. This is the sort of thing you should use your air fryer to make. Do it at home.